This remote is used in Hisense and Kenwood air conditioners, and I'm going to talk about all of its features and settings. The first function that comes up is the on-off function, which is used to turn the air conditioner on or off. Right now, the AC is set to cooling mode, and the temperature is set to 23 degrees Celsius. Next, we have the fan speed function. This remote has 5 fan speed levels, allowing you to increase the speed up to 5 times as needed. After that, we come to the temperature setting. You can increase the temperature using the plus button and decrease it using the minus button. The next function is the mode button. This allows you to select the desired mode based on your needs, whether you want to cool the room, heat it, run the fan only, or set it to dry mode. When I press the mode button, it switches to heat mode, which starts warming the room. Pressing it again switches to cooling mode, which begins cooling the room. Pressing it once more sets it to dry mode, which helps remove moisture from the air. Pressing it again activates fan mode, where only the AC fan operates, while all other functions are turned off. In heating mode, the AC will warm up the room. In cooling mode, it will lower the temperature to keep the room cool. In dry mode, the AC will remove excess humidity from the air and expel it outside. The next function is super mode, which is also known as turbo mode. This function allows you to set the unit to maximum performance. If you need to cool the room quickly within 10 to 15 minutes, activating super mode will make the AC run at full capacity to reach the desired temperature as fast as possible. The next function is smart mode. This mode allows the AC to automatically adjust its cooling behavior smartly. It maintains the temperature between 24 to 30 degrees Celsius, ensuring efficient cooling without overloading the compressor. By keeping the temperature within this range, smart mode helps in saving electricity, reducing the overall power consumption, and lowering your electricity bill. The next function is sleep mode. When you activate sleep mode while in cooling mode, the AC will automatically adjust the temperature according to your body temperature to ensure a comfortable sleep. In this mode, the AC will increase or decrease the temperature by 1 degree per hour to maintain a natural and comfortable cooling. This prevents excessive cooling or heating, allowing you to sleep peacefully without any disturbance. It also helps in saving energy by reducing the workload on the compressor over time. The next function is horizontal swing. This allows you to adjust the airflow direction horizontally so you can set the air to move left or right according to your preference. After that, we have vertical swing. This function lets you adjust the blower direction vertically, allowing you to set the air to move up or down as needed. The next function is quiet mode. When you press this button, a special quiet mode symbol appears on the display. This function is designed for sensitive sleepers who prefer complete silence while sleeping. Once quiet mode is activated, the AC operates silently, reducing fan noise to the lowest possible level. There is no unnecessary sound, making it ideal for light sleepers who are easily disturbed by noise. This feature ensures a peaceful and undisturbed sleep while maintaining a comfortable room temperature. The next function is timer mode. This function allows you to set a specific time for the AC to turn on or off automatically. With the timer button, you can set the AC to turn on after a certain number of hours, set the AC to turn off after running for a specific duration. This is useful if you want the AC to turn off while you sleep or turn on before you arrive home, ensuring energy efficiency and convenience. The next function is economy mode. When you press the economy button, the outdoor unit's compressor switches to a low power mode. Here's how it works. The cooling capacity is reduced, meaning the room cools down more slowly. However, the AC becomes more energy efficient, consuming less electricity. This helps in lowering your electricity bill while still providing comfortable cooling. This mode is ideal for times when you don't need fast cooling, but want to save energy and reduce costs. The next function is I Feel mode. When you press the I Feel button, the remote control acts as a temperature sensor instead of the AC unit. How it works: the remote must be near you in your surroundings. The AC will detect the temperature around the remote and adjust cooling or heating accordingly. This ensures that the unit maintains the desired comfort level where you are, not just where the AC is installed. For the best results, keep the remote in front of you and ensure there is a clear signal path between the remote and the AC unit. The next function is Clean Nano mode, both of which serve the same purpose. Before using this function, make sure the AC unit is turned off. Once the Clean button is pressed, the AC activates a purification process to eliminate bacteria, germs, and airborne particles in the room. It helps freshen the air, providing a clean and healthy indoor environment. This feature is particularly beneficial for people with allergies or respiratory issues, ensuring better air quality. The next function is dimmer mode. This function is useful for people who don't like light while sleeping. How it works: the indoor unit's display light, which shows temperature and other settings, is turned off when you press the dimmer button. This helps create a dark and comfortable sleeping environment without any bright lights disturbing you. The AC continues to function normally, only the display lights are turned off. This feature is perfect for those who prefer a completely dark room while sleeping. The next function is 8-degree heat mode. This setting is specifically designed for extremely cold areas where temperatures drop significantly. How it works: when you activate 8-degree heat mode, the AC will maintain a low level of heating at 8 degrees Celsius. This helps prevent excessive cold and moisture buildup, protecting furniture, electronics, and other household items from dampness and damage. The AC runs on low heat mode continuously, ensuring that the room stays dry and safe from freezing conditions. This feature is ideal for places with harsh winters or when you want to keep your home protected while you're away. The last function is reset mode. This function is useful when your settings get messed up or if you want to restore factory default settings. How it works: use a pointed object, like a pin or paperclip, to press the reset button. As soon as you press it, the remote screen will refresh and all settings will return to the company default settings. After the reset, you can reconfigure the remote according to your preferences. This feature is helpful if you accidentally change settings or want to start fresh with the default factory settings. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.